GPS Wholesale, first rollout of the new wholesale finance system. GPS Wholesale launched the new web-based wholesale finance system in France, which is being used as the pilot country. The project has been in development since the end of 2008 as part of the Daimler Financial Service Captive No. 1 strategy. Wholesale focuses on the financing of new and used vehicles, be it cars, vans, trucks, or buses, for Daimler dealerships. The main requirement was to standardize global business processes and modular products related with wholesale financing, and to find an IT solution which could be applied anywhere in the world. Our aim was to create a unified system which could be used in wholesale anywhere in the world. The team was able to do this as well as implement the system with outstanding success, to which I say chapeau. At times, over 60 employees were involved in the GPS Wholesale project. Their task was to compile existing wholesale processes from diverse markets, then evaluate and redefine them. A French team working at Mercedes-Benz Financial Services subsidiaries in Bailly, near Paris, was responsible for harmonizing the new wholesale finance system with the specific local demands. Two years ago, we fought to become the project's pilot country. We were successful and were thrilled to have been able to have 3 different countries and ways of thinking collaborate to set up the system. We've also managed to create a highly practical and standardized tool, which will be of great use in other countries too.
Très standardisé, qui est vraiment utilisable dans d'autres pays.
The new state-of-the-art wholesale finance system is clearer, easier to use, faster, and it ensures a more efficient workflow. Searching vehicles, filtering and sorting as well as settling loans is much easier and is visible at a glance. Different views are available. Filter views with partial matching. Loans can be filtered by status. Data sorted by the column header. Settle loan from this screen. Export loan lists to Excel. The biggest advantage of this new application, in my opinion, is that it considerably improves the quality of the data we have. The first feedback from the dealers is very positive, mainly because the software is so easy to use. That really allowed us to train the dealers on how to use the software thoroughly.
Ce qui nous a permis facilement de former les utilisateurs des distributeurs au logiciel.
The dealer portal is convenient, easy to use, and gives an overview of all functionalities at a glance. The dealer-specific notice board, the bank calendar displays, the credit line overview, reports and statements. The main advantage for dealers is that it allows them to have access to reports as well as a schedule for their financing. The employees at Team Operations European Wholesale Systems in Stuttgart, in charge of the existing system, contributed their wealth of knowledge of wholesale financing in Europe.
So most of the time, of course, I was in Stuttgart and Nathalie was here in Bailly, and that was sometimes challenging, everything over the phone, but that's also why the biggest fun was when I was here in Bailly, and because it was not just working together.
I'm especially proud of the fact that we managed to have 3 languages and 3 different cultures collaborate on this project, and that ours is the first big European project to be successful. After the standards of the wholesale procedures of DFS worldwide had been defined, the next steps consisted in implementing, testing, and finalizing the global template. The software template is the basis for all future rollouts and was also used to set up the first local solution in France. It was quite a rush indeed. For a long time, it was all about testing, testing, testing. We were backed up by a team that was 100% devoted to the project, and they were amazing and so professional. The turnaround was unbelievably fast, so everything was just chop chop.
Mit der neuen Lösung
The new solution has given us a flexible base, which allows us to quickly deploy onto the market and still provide the required localization. Credit lines. View individual lines and overall limit.
Based on the global template, which we have delivered with the pilot now, we would like to implement the new system in Germany and Spain at the end of 2011.
In 2013, we have a common wholesale system standardized and used in most of the European countries.
I'm really satisfied with the team because they have done a very, very outstanding job. They have delivered what they have promised. They were really, really focused in order to get the things done, and at the end we have delivered in time and in budget and on the best quality ever the system to France.
Sympathy and frequent communication by constant email and phone contact and by meeting on site is crucial to ensure the success of such a mammoth project.
Chapeau.
Chapeau.
Chapeau. GPS Wholesale. First rollout of the new wholesale finance system.